So Yoshiko, it's eggplant season now, and I know you love eggplant. When you're busy, tired, and don't want to spend much time cooking, but you're craving eggplant, what do you make?
I make Japanese eggplant stir fries. I know 3 different ways to season them, and they each take just minutes. They are packed with flavor, and one of them is actually my late mother's recipe.
Your mum's recipe? Wow, I bet she never imagined it would be published for all the world to see on YouTube.
Yeah, I hope she's smiling down on us. And today, I'll also show you 2 other Japanese eggplant stir-fry recipes that are just as easy.
3 easy eggplant stir-fry recipes. Okay, that's dinner for half a week for me. So let's get cooking. So, first we remove the tops and slice the eggplants diagonally, nice and elegant. Then we soak them in water, and remind me, why do we do that?
To take out the bitterness and keep them from turning brown. Just let them relax in the water for about 10 minutes.
Okay, and then we give them a deep tissue massage with paper towels to squeeze out the water. Honestly, I wish someone would give me a deep tissue massage before dinner.
Right? You should be so lucky.
I know. Alright, so now we heat up the pan with medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We place the eggplant slices so they don't overlap. They each need their own personal space.
Exactly. After about 3 minutes, flip them over. You want both sides to turn a nice golden brown color. Add more oil if needed. Eggplants are like little oil sponges.
I know, but they're a lot tastier than a sponge.
Yeah, that's true, though I never tasted a sponge.
Well, in England, I've had plenty of sponge cake over the years. So now we add a teaspoon of soy sauce and a little freshly ground black pepper, then mix everything together.
Make sure every piece gets coated. No eggplant left behind.
Every slice deserves its fair share of seasonings.
That's it. Simple, fast, and really delicious. This is the easiest eggplant dish I know, and it's a recipe I learned from my mother.
Thank you, Mom. Domo arigato. Now, what eggplant fries version 2 look like?
When I have a little extra energy, I like to grate some fresh ginger and then serve the stir-fried eggplant on a plate, top it with a grated ginger, and drizzle a little soy sauce over it.
That's incredibly easy. The ginger must make it really tangy and appetizing. And so what's the last one?
The last one has a rich miso flavor. The sauce can be prepared in advance if you like.
And to make the sauce, we mix 1 1/4 tablespoons of red miso, 2/3 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1/2 tablespoon of sake.
If you can find miso called Hacho miso, I highly recommend it. It's a dark soybean miso with a rich, concentrated umami flavor that's perfect for this dish.
And we can find Hacho miso at most Japanese grocery stores, or also online, of course. And so when the eggplant is almost done stir-frying, pour in the miso sauce and gently mix everything together.
Make sure every slice is nicely coated with a miso sauce. And that's it.
This one is just as easy, especially if we make the sauce a day ahead or so.
Yes, and 3 different flavors, 1 simple cooking method. That's why I never get tired of eating eggplant. So let's eat them while they're still warm. Itadakimasu! Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!